Sabi nyo nga, no, lahat ng mga senador, lahat naman sila may mga pressure points. So they succumb to pressure, like what happened to Chis Escudero and to Joel Villanueva. Do you think ngayon, yung remaining, ilan na lang sila? 9? 9 ba sila? Kay Senator Marcoleta, Amy Marcos, Bongo,
Bato.
si Bato, si Robin Padilla,
Villar.
dalawang Villar, Pia Cayetano, and Alan Peter Cayetano, kasi si Jinggoy nga nakakulong. Sino sa tingin nyo ang solid?
At saka si Loren.
Si Loren. Ayun, plus Loren. Sino po sa tingin ninyo ang solid talaga dyan na hindi po talaga tatawid ng bakod?
Okay. I'll be very frank and direct about my reading.
Yes, opo.
Oo, tag nito. Pero ito yung reading ko lang naman. Hopefully, hindi ako tama. No?
Okay.
Maybe, hopefully, I'll be wrong. So, really. Okay, I just hope that I'm wrong. So, apat lang yan. Marcoleta,
Okay.
which is now under pressure, actually. Na I feel
Ikukulong.
sad about Senator Marcoleta. The other one is Amy Marcos, Robin Padilla, and Bato. But Bato, wala ka na dyan. Hindi mo maasahan na yan in terms of voting kasi they are even calling him fugitive. At saka, mahirap i-risk ni Bato ang kanyang safety. Kasi the moment siyang lumabas, madadala yan sa The Hague. Apat lang yan. Even Bongo is, I'm not even sure. Why? Because maraming pressure on Bongo as well. Yung ICC na yan, ngayon wala yan.
Si Alan Peter at saka si Pia, you think may chance pa silang tumawid ulit after all that happened?
I think it's not about, hindi siya nandun sa tawid. Kasi right now, they're in the minority block. I'm not necessarily referring na tatawid. What I'm referring to is more on the impeachment trial in terms of voting. Kasi ngayon, ang iba dyan, they will say na, I will base my judgment on the presentation of evidence and arguments from both sides. So gano'n ang kanilang stand dyan. And matagal na nilang sinabi yan. At saka yan, ang Villar, they also have pressure points. You have now the LRT. And you have even the SEC na sinasabi na valuation ng kanilang asset na naging 1 trillion. You have other things on the Villar that they are under pressure. On the other hand, Loren, the pressure on Loren is on the Sun. Totoo naman. And Pia Cayetano and Alan, based on previous statements nilang sabi nila, they will base everything on the evidence presented, which is, valid naman ang safe answer. So, and also, take note, they also have their own political agenda in 2028. May mga political agenda yan. At alam ko, nababasa ko kung sino dyan and also try, may mga pangarap na maging presidente ng Pilipinas.
Talaga?
Or vice president ng Pilipinas.